AI wrote my homework. I'm not a bad student. Okay, maybe I'm a lazy one. It all started last Sunday night. I had a big English essay due on Monday morning. The importance of reading. The only problem? I hadn't even read the question. So there I was, lying in bed, scrolling through TikTok when an ad popped up. Let AI write your homework in seconds. I froze. Could it really do that? I clicked the link. A little chat box appeared. It said, "Hi, I'm your AI assistant. What do you need?" I typed, "Write me an essay about the importance of reading. 200 words. Make it sound smart." And in less than 5 seconds, it replied with a beautiful, perfect essay, full of words I'd never even heard before. Epistemological enrichment? Cognitive evolution? I didn't know what those meant, but they sounded amazing. I copied the whole thing, pasted it into Word, added my name, and went to bed feeling like a genius. The next morning, I handed it in. I even smiled proudly when my teacher, Ms. Taylor, said, "Wow, you're early today." But on Tuesday, something strange happened. She called me after class and said, "Tom, could we talk for a minute?" My heart dropped. She opened her laptop, smiled politely, and said, "I just wanted to ask, did you really write this essay?" I tried to act innocent. "Of course, why?" She turned the screen toward me and pointed at a sentence. "Reading fosters epistemological resilience within the social fabric of cognition." She raised an eyebrow. "Tom, last week you wrote reading is good because it helps brain." I didn't know what to say. Then she leaned closer and whispered, "You used AI, didn't you?" I panicked. I could lie. Or I could tell the truth. So I sighed and said, "Okay, yes, but only because I was tired." To my surprise, she didn't yell. Instead, she laughed. "Tom," she said, "AI is a great tool, but it's supposed to help you think, not replace your thinking." I looked down. "So, am I in trouble?" She smiled. "Not this time. But next time, if your essay sounds smarter than me, I'll know." That night, I decided to try again, this time by myself. I wrote a new essay using my own words. It wasn't perfect, but it was honest. And guess what? She gave me a B plus, the highest grade I'd ever gotten without cheating. At the bottom of my paper, she'd written, "Now this sounds like you. Keep it that way." Since then, I still use AI, but not to do my homework. I use it to learn new words, to check my grammar, and sometimes to make funny memes about Ms. Taylor. Because let's be honest, my AI might be smart, but my teacher, she's smarter.